Want to remove background from image and get transparent background with HD quality for free? Well, you can use Photoshop to remove background from picture, but for that you need to be a photo editing expert. But what if you are a beginner and don't have much knowledge of photo editing? Well, in that case, I have a solution for you. Today I am going to tell about a website which can remove background from photo in seconds. So watch this video full if you are looking to remove background from photo, and you can also win yourself free credits to remove background from photos for free. Yes, I will also be giving away 10 credits to 5 winners through this giveaway. More details on giveaway will be shared later in the video, so stay tuned for more details. Hey folks, Akhil from WM Originals, and today I will show how to remove background from photo in seconds. And for that I will be using PixMiller.com. PixMiller is best photo background remover with which you can make transparent background in HD quality in seconds without any prior photo editing skills. PixMiller uses cutting-edge AI technology that helps in removing background for HD images without any loss in image quality. Let's give it a try, and for that we can sign up for free. Just click on sign up for free, or you can also remove background without sign up. But if you sign up, you will get one free credit that you can use to download your image without watermark. Click on sign up, and now from here we can use Google, Facebook, or sign up through email as well. Let's sign up with Google to make it faster. Choose your account and you are good to go. Here is our dashboard. Here it will mention your subscription plan if you have any. Here it mentions 1 credit which I got for signing up to PixMiller. You can also get the same or can also get 50 extra credits through giveaway. So stay tuned for more details on the same. Let's move back to home page and see how it works. Click on upload a photo and Windows file picker opens up. You can then choose an image from which you want to remove background. After that, within seconds, it comes up with the result. See, image background is removed in Flash. Now, from here you can download it in HD quality or download in normal quality as well. You can also change background color for image from here. We can also choose color from this color picker as well. Click on download HD to download image, and after that here it mentions use 1 credit to download HD image which will be watermark free and there will be no loss in image quality. Click on download HD to download image. Now here we have our image which we can use wherever you want to. This is how easily you can also remove background from picture in HD quality without any watermark. And if you also want to, check the link in description and pinned comment. Now let's talk about the pricing, and for that click on buy credits. Here we have pricing plan for PixMiller subscription, or you can also pay as you want to. Just choose as per your requirement and go ahead with purchase. I will recommend you to try out PixMiller if you are looking to remove background from image, as it is so fast and easy in removing background from picture. Now let's talk about giveaway and PixMiller free credits. Well, I am giving away 10 credits to 5 winners, that will be in total 50 credits. If you want to win, make sure you like this video, subscribe to WM Originals and share this video on your social media platforms. Check the link in description and pinned comment to join giveaway. There will be 4 winners through giveaway, and 1 winner will be one of those who gets most number of likes on their comment. So do share or use in comments, and you can also win free credits of PixMiller background remover. Once you are a winner, you can visit this page and then select number of credits you won and then click on buy now. Enter your location and pin code. After that, click on add coupon. Enter the coupon which I will share after you are winner in giveaway. Then click on add coupon. This is how easily you can claim your prize after being a winner. Winners will be announced on 30th of August on WM Originals channel community. I will also be coming up with 2 more giveaways soon in next few days. So don't forget to subscribe to WM Originals and hit that bell icon to know first about those giveaways. This is what I had for today. Thanks for watching. See you all in the next video.